They bought this home in 2017, okay? And around COVID time, 2020, 2021, they did this full remodel as listed there, like everything that they did, okay? Everything was done really well, like good high quality stuff, and looks to be up to code, but they just did it without permits, okay? 2025, July, we listed for sale. We decided, I was like, hey, like, you know, this is gonna be a major hit for you guys. Let's take it off the market and you guys work on getting things permitted and relist it back for sale in the spring, right? And they're like, okay, sounds good. So they did that. Final permits have been completed last week, okay? Like within the last 5 days. It was stamped and completed. Everything for the interior of the house, 100% completed, okay? So it is all permitted. Everything inside of the home is permitted 100%, other than, this is not inside the home, the deck, okay? The deck is required, I think, additional approvals and planning and design review and all these other things because it's like an exterior structure, and it's kind of ridiculous what they require, to be honest, and how long it's taking. But they resubmitted their latest round of documents, structural engineer, like architect, like write up drop, like here's how deep it is, here's how whatever, the whole thing, and they're waiting to hear back. They've already submitted that. They're selling it as is, so whoever buys this home is going to have to inherit this situation. This will probably cost whoever buys this home, like after they buy it and close escrow, $2,000 to $5,000 max of like miscellaneous little items and redraws and all this stuff, and maybe take 2 to 3 months to finalize this, is my guess. So I don't think that's like a big deal. I think the 99% of what was necessary is permitted and good to go, but that is still going to be outstanding. So you just want to disclose that clearly, that there's going to be an open permit with the city of San Bruno for this deck, right? When they buy the home, and they will either decide they can finish it, demo the deck and create a new one, or redo a whole new process, okay? Situation is all written up here, and they did everything really well and really nice. Alexa this, Alexa that. So look, they raised this ceiling, they opened these walls, right? Made this place a lot more newer. Pre-wired HDMI and outlets. Let's go down here. They also, when they did this remodel, they had like nice flooring right here. They did this laundry area. They did this bathroom, okay? They did this right here, and the flooring extended all through here. There was a wall right here, okay? If you can't tell, there was clearly a wall right here, okay? And so they built an office, and they had like an office work from home, COVID, pandemic, whatever, okay? And they were here, nice floors, and it was like nice. And it kind of all ended right here, and this was still the garage space. If you can see here clearly, this is too small to fit a car, and the regulations are usually, I believe, 16 feet or 18 feet, I think, depending on the municipality, aka city, of the distance between the garage door and the back of the garage, okay? And so obviously they just didn't fit. And so they're like, okay, what do we do here? They're like, well, you can't really legalize that unless you ask for a variance, which pretty much won't pass, or you do some other thing, or you try to do an ADU, or like, there's other things you could do. And they're like, okay, what's the easiest, fastest way that I can get you to stamp this thing so that we could take off this code enforcement violation off the property so that we could sell it quicker? What is it gonna be? They're like, well, take down this wall, and then here's a garage with a finished wall. That's all this is the garage with a finished wall. So that's why it looks like this half room or whatever, okay? That's it, that's all this is. It's a garage with this post is exactly a car can fit right here, a car can fit right there. Technically it's still a garage, but you have a full legal bathroom right there. That's a full legal laundry room or area. If you are gonna use your garage for parking cars, then no, you just leave it as is and you park here. If you're not, and you're cool with parking in the driveway and you wanna do this, you could do that. Or make this bigger, make that staircase feel more like an internal staircase rather than an external one. Maybe make another wall over here, maybe make another something right here. One more thing I want you to take a look at here. This beautiful space. I don't know how many crawl spaces you guys have been through. Come on in. I don't know how many of these you've been into, but this is very clean. Look at the quality of the wood, look at the extra support posts that they've added, look at all the different, concrete looks beautiful, smells nice, like that's something you can't communicate in the video, is how, nice it smells, like fresh wood.
Not mold.
Yeah, exactly. It smells very dry, like it doesn't smell like musty, and that's like a huge difference. That's like, these are the kind of things you explain to buyers.
Yeah.
Like here's like, you can't, pictures don't describe this. Inspection reports don't describe this. This is something else, This one maybe is remodeled 10, 15 years ago, not as modern and nice and beautiful and blah, blah, blah. Yeah. But you could tell that whoever lived here fixed everything as soon as it broke. Every leak that happened, they fixed. So you're not gonna deal with mold. You're not gonna deal with all these things. There's a difference. There's this, and that's why we make the big bucks, is to communicate things that aren't ChatGPT-able. You know what I mean? Like that's why people are like, oh, replace realtors, just paperwork. It's like, one thing I'll tell you for a fact is that I've been through thousands of homes. Yeah. And after being through thousands of homes and gaining that experience and smelling and seeing and watching and reading and going through, I have some perspective to give you that maybe ChatGPT doesn't. Yeah.